Hello guys, we will be learning how to download Pinduoduo for Android users. Now you see this app here. This is Pinduoduo. This app cannot be gotten from Play Store. Let's head over to Play Store and search for Pinduoduo. The only apps you get here is 688, Taobao and the rest. You cannot get Pinduoduo from Play Store. So the only way for you to download this app is through their site, Pinduoduo website. Now you head over to Google Chrome. I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any browser of your choice. Now you type Pinduoduo. We have different websites here, but you are making use of this first two. And this first two, this and this, they are the same website but with different look. What do I mean by the same website? If you look at the URL, this URL is the same with this URL. So that is why I say they are the same website but with different look. If you look at this very well, the first site is written in Chinese, while the other is written, the second one is written in English. Now we are making use of this first one that is written in Chinese. Yours, this site that is written in Chinese may be the second on your browser. So note that. Now we are clicking on this first one. This. Now we click on it. It will take you to this site. Where you are here, click on this button. You see this button? This button. Let me change the color so that it will be clear. This button, you click on it. It will take you to this page. When you are on this page, now you click on this button down here. Can you see this button? You click on it. Your Pinduoduo is downloaded. That is it.